Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Christy M and welcome back to your girl's channel. This video is so long overdue, as many as other videos, but today you guys, I'm back. I'm back. I really don't even know what to say. I really don't.
Life is what you make it. My shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford.
But if you are new to my channel, hey, what's up, girl? I've been seeing a lot of you guys subscribe to my channel, and I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I have always wanted to grow out my YouTube channel, and I feel as if at this point in my life, it is growing and is expanding, and I am so excited and so pumped. I'm so pumped, and this makes me want to actually create content because I feel as if somebody's watching me. Someone's actually watching my videos. They're paying attention. They're actually learning and getting valuable information. So I want to say thank you and welcome to all my new subscribers. You guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. So anyways, I'm just rambling on. Today we are going to be doing the Sephora VIB sale. It actually happened a long time ago, last month, actually November. I did purchase some goodies, so I wanted to show you guys what I did. So this is going to be like more of a haul. So I want to show you what I picked up, what I purchased. I didn't get a lot only because I have so much makeup that I get from PR. And it's not PR coming from my YouTube, PR coming from Instagram and TikTok. TikTok mainly because I have bigger followings over on those two platforms. So, yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get into this haul. Okay, so the first thing that I picked up was the Giorgio Armani. This is their Luminous Silk Foundation. I have heard so many great things about this foundation. Oh my. I have the shade 11 in this foundation. I do want to say, when you're online, look very closely at your skin tone because they really don't have a variety of foundations with the correct undertones. Let me say that. Originally I was gonna get 13, but unfortunately that was too dark. So I had to go down to 11, and this is the absolute correct match. If you guys can see, I actually have it on today, and I love this foundation. I can see why Kim Kardashian swears by this foundation because it is flawless. It's beautiful on. I mean, oh my gosh, it just looks so gorgeous. I also wanted to say that Sephora secretly put on a sale from the 3rd, which is today, until the 12th of this month. So if I show you some products, and you're interested in them, just know that you're going to be able to save 20% off, which is the percentage of what I got for the VIB sale, which is pretty great. I mean, save some coins, especially, you know, during the holidays and Christmas. Things can be a little bit pricey. We're still kind of going through a little bit of a tough time here with all this extra stuff and this thing that's going around. So if you're trying to save some coins, definitely take advantage of the 20% off and get stuff that's on sale and stuff that's a deal. By the way, I have not used not all of this stuff that I got in my bag. So I actually picked up the Loaded Sunday. These are the beauty blenders. I've never tried this brand of beauty blenders at all, but a lot of people keep asking me, like, have you tried them? What do you think about them? Have you tried them? So I'm going to try them and I will let you all know how I like them. I do think I have a dupe for this. It's only $1, so I mean, I'm going to be doing a video with that. The $28, I think it's $20 or $28. Well, this was $49, but the original beauty blender itself, I think it's like $20 or $28. It's pretty pricey, so I hope it's good. But it also, so it comes with 3 blenders, and then it also comes with like a soap where you can clean it, which is pretty cool. So, oh, it has like a little cleaning sponge at the bottom right here, if you can see that. Oh my God, this is so cool. I can't wait to use it. Okay. So yeah, it was $49. I don't know if they have any more in stock left. You may want to check online, but I mean, these sold out like crazy. It's such a good steal. I also picked up the Rihanna. This is her Resting Peach Face. It's just the Gloss Bomb in shade Peach, as well as the Peach Face Blush. The blush as well as the lip balm is so fire. Like, it's so worth it. I have so many of these, but this will be my second one of the blush. I honestly wish it was powder instead of cream. I really don't use a lot of cream products, but I'm going to try it. I'm going to layer it up, do powder first, and then do cream on top for like a more natural finish. But this is definitely worth it. I love these. I picked up the Hourglass. This is their Scattered Light. let me open it up and show you. This was so pretty. I've never tried any products from Hourglass, but I thought this one stood out so much. It was so pretty. And I love like a good little foil for my eye topper, especially if I just want to do like a solid color of an base eyeshadow base and then pop some glitter on there or foil. So let me see how I'm going to do this. I'm over here digging my nails in it. Okay, I'm going to swatch just a little bit here for you to see how pretty that is. Come on, camera, focus on me. It's so blinding. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is what the color looks like, you guys, before I spill it all over the floor. So pretty. And they do have different shades as well, but I just think that is absolutely gorgeous. So again, I really like it on. It's really nice and smooth. You know how you can try some foils and they're like really harsh and hard, almost like glitters? This is very, as you can look at my finger, very soft, very smooth, very silky, very like buttery. I absolutely love it. So definitely if you're looking for like a nice little eye topper, like a foil topper, something that you can just throw on over a basic eyeshadow base, this is it. These are nice. I also picked up the Danessa Myricks. You know, I'm really falling in love with Danessa Myricks makeup products. This is her limited edition, first and foremost, Rose Dream Trio. And it is so cute. I actually already have a trio already, but it's totally different shades. This one has a matte in it, and it has like the cream glitter, and it also has a clear gloss as well. So this is great for those days where I just want to do like something simple, like nothing too over dramatic. And as you all already know, the like little eye, the glossy eye is in right now. So if I want to do like a glossy eye, pop this color right over it and then do like a nice gloss, and I have a cute little pink like glossy eye. So I love her products. If you haven't tried her products, I think you need to try one first and then invest into other products, because she has some really good quality products, and yeah, I like it. I also picked up the NARS Creamy Concealer. Now, I have never tried this, and you know what? I love the NARS Soft Matte Foundation so much. It is my holy grail foundation. But I have never tried this concealer until the other day, and I love it. It's creamy. To me, it's given more of a medium coverage. I'm sure you can build it up, but oh my gosh. I have this shade, Medium Dark 3, Amande. So just in case you're my skin tone, you can kind of go based off of what I have. So nice. I mean, the texture is so, I'm going to swatch it for you. So creamy. It's really a creamy concealer. Like, it's really nice. I like it a lot, and I wasn't expecting it. So let me tell you guys this: if you're a fan of this and you're like, oh my gosh, this is so pricey, I forgot the price, but I'll put it up here or down below. Maybelline has their Fit Me concealer, literally the dupe for this. Really nice. It literally mirrors this. Identical. So if you're trying to save some coins, definitely check out the Maybelline at Target, Ulta, any drugstore. I think any drugstore, but I know Target and Ulta for sure you can get the Maybelline, which is a dupe for this. Okay, so I also picked up the Makeup by Mario. This is his Master Crystal Reflector. Oh my gosh, I feel as if a lot of his products are really underrated. They're so pretty. They're so pigmented. They're like right up my alley. Like, this is the type of stuff that I need in my life. Let me show you. I have this shade. Oh my gosh, what shade is this? Oh, Citrine. Citrine is the shade, is the color. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. Hold on, this is not doing justice. I'm gonna swatch it and show you how gorgeous this is. It's like little particles or dustings of like glitter. Oh my gosh, you guys cannot see this. Just so beautiful. Okay, I want you to see this. I'm gonna have to do a separate video. I'm gonna do a separate video trying this on and putting it on my cheeks, you guys, because just how this one is like very pigmented and really pretty, this one is the same way. Absolutely. I also picked up his lip liner because I have the lipstick and I love it, so why not try the lip liner? When it comes to skincare, I only have 3 products because literally I have so much skincare. I don't want to strip any oils off my skin. I don't want to really damage my skin from trying too many products, so I actually only have 3. This is the Unseen sunscreen. This is very popular. A lot of people use it. Now, with that being said, if you're not used to wearing sunscreen, you're probably wondering, why do you wear sunscreen? You have melanin skin. I used to think the same thing, like, you don't need sunscreen, but we actually need to use and wear sunscreen. If you notice that if you go out into the sun exposure, and maybe later on in life, if you don't wear sunscreen ever, you'll start to get like little blotches of like spots. That's not even acne spots. They just don't go away. That's sun damage on your face. And that's just from a lack of you wearing sunscreen. So highly recommend you guys invest in sunscreen, wear all year round. It's like the last step of your skincare before you put on your primer and everything else. Literally, like, because you need to have that on your face for the exposure of the sun. But I've been wearing this and I like it because it's oil free and it's not like that white stuff that leaves a cast on your face. It's clear, it's very smooth, it's very silky. Let me show you. I just want to show you what it looks like, because it's definitely different than what you're used to seeing. Okay, so if you see that, you see how that is? Nice and smooth. Yeah, I like it. I really do. It's not going to leave a cast. A little goes a long way. You don't need much. A little goes a long way. Put it all over your face lightly. And then, you know, add your primer, your foundation or whatnot. Or if you're just going to do a natural look. Whatever you're going to do, I would highly invest into a good sunscreen. I also picked up the Believe. This is their Aqua Bomb Brightening Vitamin C Moisturizer. Now, I've tried the original Aqua Bomb Moisturizer and I really, really like it. Especially for oily skin, because it doesn't have any oils in here. I believe so. It's okay. I really, really like this because it's for... Okay, so I've tried the Believe Aqua Bomb in the original. It's water-based. I like it because it's really great for oily skin. If you have oily skin, these are really great. I really, really like this. Aside from Tatcha's another good one. But the Believe, I really, really like the Aqua Bomb. It's something to invest in. Vitamin C, and why I got this one, I wanted to try it just to kind of brighten up some of my dark spots. That's honestly the only reason. But it smells so good. It smells amazing. It smells amazing. Oh my gosh, it smells so yummy. Like, put it on my face and literally I just take like a little dab of it and I put it on my face, because my skin's already oily as it is. So you don't want to have so much just sitting on your face. So a little goes a long way. But I really like it so far. And lastly, the CEO Glow by Sunday Riley. This is a turmeric oil. It's supposed to help with dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and all of the above. So I've been putting it on my dark spots, and I can honestly see my dark spots starting to brighten up on my face. So I'm super satisfied. I did get the smaller bottle because I wasn't sure if it was going to work for me or not. So this is a, what size bottle? 0.5 flow ounce, but still there's a lot of product in there. Do you see that? All you need is literally a little bit. I just take a little drop and place it on my face, and that is it. A little goes a long way. This is going to last you for a while. It was about $40 just for the little one. The bigger one was more. But again, I wanted to try it to see if it was going to work with me, if I would like it, if it would really take away my dark spots. So I like it so far. It's working. My skin is starting to brighten up, and you know, I'm really content and satisfied with that. So excited. All right, so this is going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope I was clear on some of the products that I did get and kind of explaining and showing you guys what everything looks like. These are products that I love. Again, if you're like, oh, I want to try it, try the mini size first and then gradually go up to more of the fuller size. That way you're not wasting money, or you're not wasting money on spending on product first and foremost that you may or may not like. You know, it sucks to do that. But Sephora has the mini sizes and they're like retailing for like $10, $15, maybe $20, $25. They're not expensive at all. It's very inexpensive, but it gives you the opportunity to actually try the product before you invest fully into it at all. So if you made it to the end of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos. I am going to try to post at least 3 times a week. I'm going to just, you know, take it for what it is and do it, and make sure I'm getting some content out for you guys. I will try to make longer length videos of my most viral videos. That's a lot, so I need to really sit down and write it down. But if you guys have any requests for any specific videos, drop it down below, or any makeup reviews, drop it down below in the comments, and that way I can see it and I can focus on those first and just gradually do other videos. So I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.
Life is what you make it. Life shit been amazing.